So, hey, I'm Farmer Brad here, and I just wanted to say thank you to all the new subscribers, some that I met at HOA, Homesteaders of America conference. My YouTube channel is blowing up. Yesterday I was at 900 subs, and now I'm well over 1,000 subs. And I'd like to give a big shout out to Homesteady, who had me on his live stream. That started the ball rolling. And then Sow the Land, I was able to collaborate at Homesteaders of America conference to make him a automatic chicken water bucket. And you got to meet Life on Big Ol' Road and Justin Rhodes. I just want to thank everyone that is a new sub and the subscribers that I've had since the very beginning. It's definitely gotten a little colder here. It's definitely jacket weather at the fall. But hope everyone have a wonderful day, and I'll work on getting a couple new videos out soon. Thanks, and